sawblade. And guys, why I don't have the ultra titan sawblade, the upgraded one? Because I don't have that much money to buy that. So I only have this one. So let's showcase this. Titan punch, laser. I just have it in my inventory for no reason. And we can also try it on box. Upgraded G box. Hand Austin. Oh shit. Hand Austin. Why is he flying now? I hate it. Hand Austin. Oh shit. Hang on. Bruh. Stop. Bruh. Hang on. This thing. Oh. Shit. Oh my god, I'm gonna die, bro. Like 64-7 hands. Oh shit. I'm going again. Oh shit. I'm dead already. I hate that enough. Instant death, bro. He clearly died. Where is he? He's gone. Okay, let's try call. What the? Oh shit! What the hell? That was fast. No backsaw. That did a lot of damage. Oh my goodness! For Darisla. Oh my god, that's a cooldown. That's a long cooldown shit. Why is only like a little health? What just happened, bro? When I did like gonna be better like the final attack, bro. That's now the punch. So stomp. Clearly stomp is not the best one. Wait, I wanna go on him. What the fudge? Come here. Ow, that's unfair, bro. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's all of the showcase, man. So, bye bye. Wait, before we say bye bye, let's do all of this versus the club, the enchant supreme boombox. Bro, I hate this. I keep dying, bro. Bye bye, guys.